Hello and welcome to Connected Study. Today we do 5 December daily current affair which will be helpful in RRB, NDPC, Group D, CCGL, DLPC and all upcoming exams. So stay tuned till the end and let's begin the video. So first question is, when was Indian Navy Day celebrated? So answer is 4th December. 4th December is Indian Navy Day celebrated every year, and this time Indian Navy Day theme is Indian Navy combat ready, credible and cohesive. What was Indian Navy combat ready and credible and cohesive? And Admiral of Indian Navy is Karambir Singh. Let's talk about the day in December. So 1st December was World Earth Day, 2nd December World Computer Literacy Day, and 2nd December there is another day which was National Pollution Control Day. What is National Pollution Control Day? 3rd December is International Day of Person with Disabilities, and 4th December was Indian Navy Day. Okay. Second question is, who became the ambassador of Fit India movement? So answer is Kuldeep Hanudu. Kuldeep Hanudu became the ambassador of Fit India movement, which was started in 2019. El Kuldeep is the coach of Indian Wushu team. Third question is, which country has named the cyclone built in southwestern Bay of Bengal as Burvi? So answer is Maldives. Maldives country named the cyclone built in the southwestern Bay of Bengal as Burvi, and Burvi touched the ground of Tamil Nadu. And let's talk about Maldives. Maldives capital is Male, currency is Maldivian Rufiya, and President Ibrahim Mohammed Solih. Fourth question is, what is the RBI estimate to be percentage of India's GDP for year 2020 and 21? So answer is minus 7.5%. Minus 7.5% RBI estimate to be percentage of India's GDP for 2020 and 21. And let's talk about RBI. RBI full form is Reserve Bank of India, which is founded in 1st April 1935, headquartered in Mumbai. Governor is Shaktikant Das, and Shaktikant Das is 25th number governor in RBI. Fifth question is, which state first 11.5 megawatt power plant will be set up? So answer is Karnataka. First 11.5 megawatt power plant will be set up at Karnataka. And let's talk about Karnataka. Karnataka capital is Bengaluru. CM is VS Yedurappa. Governor is Bajibhai Bala. Sixth question, who will be the chief guest of Republic Day on 26 January 2021? So answer is Boris Johnson. Boris Johnson will be the chief guest of Republic Day on 26 January 2021, and Boris Johnson is Prime Minister of Britain. Seventh question is, Stephanie Frappart became the first woman to become a referee in a men's match in UEFA Champions League. So answer is France. France related, Stephanie Frappart became the first woman to become a referee in a men's match in the UEFA Champions League. And let's talk about France. France is the capital of Paris. France capital is Paris. Currency is Euro. President Emmanuel Macron, and UNESCO headquarters is in Paris. Eighth question is, who has become the first Indian to win the Global Teacher Prize? So answer is Ranjit Singh Desale. Ranjit Singh Desale became the first Indian to win Global Teacher Prize. As one who was Ranjit Singh Desale. Ninth question is, who has topped the list of released Fortune 500 Indian companies? So our answer is RIL. RIL topped the list of released Fortune 500 Indian companies, and full form of RIL is Reliance Industries Limited. 10 question, who has become the highest rated batsman in T20? So answer is David Malan. David Malan highest rated batsman in T20. And second number is Babar Azam from Pakistan. And this is the question for revision. Question is, which Indian American has been selected as the first kid of year of Time magazine? Option is Gitanjali Rao, second option is Minty Agrawal, and third is Harmanpreet, and fourth is none of these. Please answer in comment section. Hopefully guys you enjoyed. God bless you all.